From the steam engine to the 3D printer, automation and efficiency have driven the history of manufacturing. Of course, Andrew Carnegie and Henry Ford were brilliant entrepreneurs, but their true gift was recognizing the potential of industrial technology. Now, with intense international competition, worker and resource shortages, and market instability, manufacturers need to double down on that legacy. So it's no surprise that efficiency gains dominate the top priorities of manufacturers across the board. And yet, when SoftServe conducted a survey of over 400 manufacturing companies in the US and Europe, we were surprised by how few understood the importance of overall equipment effectiveness, OEE data collection. If you're anything like our respondents, your OEE measurement efforts are likely not up to snuff. A lot of that deficit comes from inadequate automation. A high proportion of both small and large manufacturers haven't fully automated their OEE data capture. If that describes your company, it's cause for concern. Robust OEE data is essential for physically upgrading your equipment, reducing equipment downtime, and streamlining production runs. It's no accident that companies with highly effective equipment have also automated their OEE data capture. So what's stopping so many manufacturers from automating their OEE and building more efficient and more profitable operations? Download our ebook to learn the top 3 blockers to robust, automated OEE data capture, how you can overcome them, and what you can do with all the data once you have it.